quality a little.
I think that I'm
If you don't
just
care about it, fine.
going
But if you want to do it high quality, I just sent you a link.
try and figure this out.
The quality.
I think that I'm just going to have to try and set this one out.
A lot of it. You don't care how good it is or not.
That's what she said.
'Cause I just sit here with your rug below me, under my foot. And I just sit here with the smell of buzz below me. There's something about the way that you spoke to me. Your big long words and your vocabulary drives me mad. Oh alas, you're my silver lake. Oh alas, you're my silver lake lass. You understood me and my friend Lindsay, it was a blast. There's something about the way that you spoke to me. Your big long words and your vocabulary, sucking on your e-sick in your melancholy, drives me mad. Bap da da, bap da 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 da, da 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 da. I'm on the west side, you're on the east. I couldn't see you but for one day of the week. So we say our last goodbye as we laid out on your sheets on a Sunday morning. Tears rolled down my cheeks. Verdell, without you I'm lost, and I'm living in sweet hell. Oh Verdell, without you I'm lost, and I'm living in sweet hell. Something about the way that you spoke to me, your big long words and your vocabulary, strawberry fields with John Lennon's voice. It drives me mad. Da da da, da 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 da. Cause I'd like to be under to the sea. An octopus's garden. An octopus's garden.
That's what she
An
said.
octopus's garden.